Have you ever wondered how tires are made? An intriguing question, isn't it? Tires, the unsung heroes of our daily commutes, holidays, and even grocery runs. These humble rubber circles play a massive role in our lives, yet their creation is shrouded in mystery for most of us. But fret not, dear listener. In the next few minutes, we'll unravel the fascinating process of tire manufacturing. Let's embark on this journey to understand what goes into crafting these round marvels of engineering. Before we dive into the process, let's take a quick look at the history of tires. Tires, believe it or not, have a long and fascinating history, which dates back to more than 4,000 years ago. The earliest wheels were wooden, and it wasn't until the 19th century that rubber was introduced. This was a game changer, thanks to Charles Goodyear's invention of vulcanized rubber in 1839. The early 20th century witnessed the birth of the pneumatic tire, an innovation that dramatically improved vehicle performance. Fast forward to the 1950s and we saw the introduction of radial tires, a design that is still in use today. It was a revolutionary shift, offering increased durability and better fuel efficiency. In the years since, tires have continued to evolve, with technology playing a key role in their development. Now that we know where tires come from, let's dig into how they're made. Tire manufacturing starts with the right materials. At the heart of it all is rubber, nature's own shock absorber. It's elastic, waterproof, and resilient, making it the perfect material for tires. But it's not just any rubber. It's a special kind called vulcanized rubber that's been heated with sulfur to make it extra tough and durable. Next up, we have steel. Steel belts are incorporated into the tire for strength and durability. They help the tire maintain its shape and improve handling, especially at high speeds. Lastly, we have fabric. You might be surprised to know that tires contain fabric, but they do. Fabric, usually made from polyester, rayon, or nylon, is used to create the body of the tire. This gives the tire its flexibility and helps it to grip the road. With these materials at hand, we're ready to start the tire making process. Building a tire is a complex process that involves several steps. The first step in this process is creating the tire body. The body of the tire, also known as the casing, is the foundation upon which the rest of the tire is built. This casing is made up of several layers of fabric, typically polyester, nylon, or rayon, that are coated with rubber to give them strength and flexibility. These layers are called plies, and they're laid down in a crisscross pattern to provide the tire with its basic shape and structure. Once the casing is complete, the next step is the application of the tread. The tread is the part of the tire that makes contact with the road, and its design plays a crucial role in the tire's performance. The tread is made from a blend of natural and synthetic rubber that's carefully formulated to provide the right balance of grip, wear resistance, and noise reduction. This rubber blend is heated and extruded into the tread pattern, which is then applied to the casing. The final step in the tire building process is the curing process. During curing, the tire is placed in a mold and heated under pressure. This process vulcanizes the rubber, a chemical process that makes it more durable and resistant to wear. The heat and pressure also imprint the tread pattern and any branding or other details onto the tire. The curing process can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes for a passenger car tire, but it can take much longer for larger, heavy-duty tires. Once the tire has been cured, it's removed from the mold and allowed to cool. With the tire built, it's time for the finishing touches. These include trimming any excess rubber and inspecting the tire for any defects. But we'll cover those steps in the next scene. For now, just remember that building a tire is a complex process that requires a lot of skill and precision, but the end result is a product that's essential to our everyday lives. Every tire must pass a final inspection and testing before it can hit the road. This is a crucial step in the tire manufacturing process, ensuring that each tire meets the highest standards of safety and performance. It's not just about looking good or having a perfect finish. These inspections and tests are designed to ensure that every tire is safe, reliable, and ready to handle the demands of driving. Firstly, balance tests are carried out. A tire that is not balanced properly can lead to uneven wear, vibration, and potentially unsafe driving conditions. The tire is placed on a machine that spins it at a high speed to check for any imbalances. Next up, uniformity tests. This involves checking that the tire's shape is consistent all around without any lumps or bumps that could affect its performance. And then, we have the durability tests. These are designed to push the tire to its limits, simulating the toughest road conditions to ensure it can withstand the pressures of high-speed driving, heavy loads, and extreme temperatures. But the testing doesn't end there. Every tire also undergoes a thorough visual inspection. This is where trained eyes scrutinize every inch of the tire for any imperfections or defects that could compromise its safety or performance. Once a tire passes all these tests, it's ready to take on the open road. So that's how a tire is made, from raw materials to the finished product. It's quite a journey, isn't it? From the humble beginnings of raw materials like rubber, steel, and fabric, to the sophisticated and high-tech manufacturing processes that transform these materials into a tire. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of safety and efficiency. Now let's revisit the key steps in this process. First, we start with the raw materials. Rubber, both natural and synthetic, forms the primary material for tires. Steel is used for the belt, providing strength and rigidity, while fabric ensures flexibility. The right blend of these materials is crucial in achieving the desired tire properties. Next, the tire building process begins. It's here that the tire takes shape, layer by layer. Each layer or ply has a specific role in the tire's overall performance. The tread, sidewall, and bead are carefully constructed and assembled, forming the tire's skeleton. This is a delicate balance of precision and care, where even the smallest error can lead to catastrophic results. Once the tire is built, it's not yet ready to hit the road. It must first undergo a curing process where it's subjected to heat and pressure. This step is vital as it solidifies the tire's shape and imprints the tread pattern. It's the final transformation from a collection of materials into a functional tire. The last stage is the final inspection and testing. Each tire is rigorously tested for balance, uniformity, and overall quality. It's here that any flaws or defects are identified and corrected. This step underscores the tire manufacturer's commitment to safety and quality. In conclusion, the tire manufacturing process is a complex yet fascinating journey that combines science, engineering, and art. Each step, from the gathering of raw materials to the final inspection, plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and performance of the tire. Next time you hit the road, you'll know exactly how that tire beneath you came to be.